What are commercial real estate landlords looking for in a tenant? So if you're a business owner trying to open a new location, in your application, here are what they're looking for. Number one is the financial strength. It needs to be strong, right? So for the past 2 years of tax return and also the recent bank statements showing that you do have sufficient liquid cash to cover. So what to cover is the initial investments for remodeling, or it's just a business asset sale, whatever. After that, do you have sufficient liquid cash to cover the first year of rent? So now the criteria is getting higher and higher after COVID, of course. Number two is the good credit. So you need to be you need to have usually a credit score above 700 is considered to be good credit. And also you need to be a US person to be a personal guarantor for the lease. Number three is that the tenant needs to have very good operating experiences. For that, if you are an existing owner of other locations, and please do let the landlords know that your brand does have this track record and brand recognition somewhere, right? And if you are a startup owner, you're just starting the business, then please show the business plan to the landlord. And the next point is the co-tenancy, is that the landlord will consider a lot of things like property type, zoning, and is there any other competition in the same plaza or in the same building, right? Does your business conflict or compete with the existing tenants? And ultimately, the landlord wants to be win-win-win for all the people, right? So that's something, if there's a lot of competition, then the landlord will avoid that type of concept. Number five is called a cooperative or loyal tenant, right? Are you someone who will stay here for at least 5 years and who can also survive in this location? Are you somebody who the landlord like? That's why sometimes in-person meetings with the landlord are important to build this rapport and also trust each other. And the last one is that the landlord will often look into if this tenant is serious in this, and can they move quickly if we approve them, right? Do they have a tenant rep? Are they doing this in a serious matter, right? So those are typically the things that the landlord will look at when they evaluate a lease application from a tenant. So this is Tina, and I'm a business and commercial broker agent in California. Like and follow me for more commercial discussions, please. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.